Hey, Bona. Tutek, man. Where guy? Machilo. Mukhala bethu. Ukafita wana bus. Fasad. Uyisaga bakhala.
Kasongo ye. Mombali nanga. Kasongo mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh ye. Kasongo mbona wewe. Mbona
Welcome to Disregard, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Ngifuna sikhulume ngalama youngster man we Chiefs ahlala hamba on loan. We'll talk about that on the comment section below. So don't go anywhere, Bafethu. We'll be also congratulating Maseko on his move to Copenhagen, Lapayana at Denmark. But Bafethu, I want to address this thing from the very first start. Bafethu, indaba yaga Jaden Adams, the rumors that you see on social media. Some idiot, you saw the heading on before the heading and the poster. Some idiot posted it on social media. Uguti, Jaden Adams has been murdered, and yeah, I just want to dispel what is fact and what is rumor. In terms of Jaden Adams, to let us respect Jaden Adams as a player, let us respect him as a human being. May his soul rest in peace. What is true, what is not in relation to Jaden Adams? We know what the rumors are, but I want to just to remind you what are facts. So guys, there's no Madlanga commission regarding Adams. So the facts are that the police found his body Lapayana Shortcliffe in Cape Town. He died at the age of 25. We know that he did well helping Bafana reach the knockout stages. Sabona Lapayana, even FIFA giving tribute to Jaden Adams, the likes of England, Aguma Games, World Cup. They were giving tribute to him. And yeah, we are happy. He was a talented midfielder. Lapayana go Mamelodi Sundowns first, with Stellenbosch, and then later go Mamelodi Sundowns, which paved the way with Bafana. So Bafethu, it is rumors ukuthi he committed suicide. We know ukuthi during the World Cup dedicating that game. I think the game against Korea, with his teammates, some of his teammates saying that he's depressed, and regarding like anybody, like any human being, it's normal ukuthi mawushonelwe bafethu ukuthi ube phansi. But yeah, I'm glad that he made appearances and he played in the World Cup, and that's what we should be remembering him for. And yeah, the suicide rumors bafethu, it is just rumors, and that the rumors why kube namaruma we suicide. We don't know, but it's because of mental health issues. You'll remember, guys, I talked about the players' mental health issues. Sabona ama player fana nabo Neymar talking about with depression due to mental health, and they would even take time off playing ukuthi ba address things like sports psychologist or psychotherapy, addressing mental health. So that's another element in South African football. I think that we still need to address those mental health issues regarding our players. That is why maybe sometimes we see some of our players substance abuse. So yeah, those are, I'm still talking about rumors, guys, and some of the rumors, it's murder, bambulalile. But those is still rumors because there's no substance. And then the reasons for those rumors, utole imali, the Champions League winners bonuses, ne World Cup knockout stage bonus for that historic. Siyazi ukuthi ama-player wathola ama-bonus, ne-Mamelodi Sundowns yabanikeza ama-bonus. Hence those rumors ukuthi it's estimated, it's rumors and speculation that unabo uhlele nabo 6 million ku-account wakhe. So ama-opportunist whether it's his family or it's his friends bambulalele leyo mali, but yeah, bathi family yakhe conspiracy family siyazi ukuthi kuma family bayabanokuthi we know I don't need to siyazi ukuthi ama family kwenziwa bayenzani bafethu, but there's no substance, there's no really there's no truth to it. Let's just take it as bullshit bafethu ukuthi commit suicide and ukuthi uJayden Adams there's any foul play that needs to be suspected, but the police, let's talk about the facts. And siyekela ama rumors we suicide, siyekela ama rumors we homicide, because there really is no truth to it. The fact is that the Cape Town police have registered an inquest docket to investigate the circumstances surrounding his death. It's not a homicide, it's not confirmed a suicide at this stage of the investigation. So I will repeat it, Bafethu. The police, Cape Town police, have registered an inquest docket to investigate the circumstances. So the only thing that is questionable is the circumstances surrounding his death. So Bafethu, no person has been arrested for assisted suicide. No person has been arrested for homicide or murder at this stage. So guys on social media, please respect the player's family. Please respect the player's former team, which is Mamelodi Sundowns, his teammates, his family, his friends, and may Jayden Adams' soul rest in peace. Bengifuna nje uku-address abafethu what I've been seeing lately on social media, Wamayama page. Right, bafethu, congratulations to Masego. Thapelo Masego has made a move. We saw him also on the World Cup stage, he's scoring that goal and being the hero for Bafana Bafana, making history. Athathi Bafana Bafana ifaka laphayana kuma lokhuzana, kuma knockout stages. And yeah, congratulations to him. No Sibusiso Zuma, he has congratulated him and advised Nyamkumbula Uri. He also played for Copenhagen, Lapik, Denmark, and he helped them win the Super League, our winning league nabo. And you remember that famous bicycle kick, that not bicycle, it's the overhead kick. Sibiza scissors, limezans. That overhead kick from Asadlalela Copenhagen. Rizuma is an absolute legend lapayana Copenhagen. So congratulations to Thapelo Masego. And yeah, Bafethu, that is all I wanted to address in this video. And Sundowns coach says that they will miss Adams, and they need to, you saw they missed him even against Kaizer Chiefs. He says they need to replace him by signing a midfielder, and then Tebogo Mokoena ulimele. That is why he didn't play. So yeah, there's no automatic starters in his team. So yeah, Bafethu, that is it. Right, Bafethu, asikhulumeni ke ngendaba yama youngsters laphayana ku Chiefs. Why ama youngsters ahlala ya kulone bese let's talk about this on the comment section below. Why ama youngsters ahlala hamba, siyabona abondamane bayaphuma bahamba bayo Galaxy, abo Puso Ditejane. There's so many players, even now so many players, they go on loan, they get lost through the system. Kaizer Chiefs have lost so many good players by ukuthi manje bayaphuma, awazi ukuthi baphuma kanjani, bayahamba bayele kulama club bangasabuyi. Another one that TS Galaxy recently signed, Tati bamnikeza number 10. He went to Mvela and he got lost through the system. Yamthatha Galaxy manje yamsigna, mnikeza number 10. I hope he will get his career back on track. And yeah, there's so many. Now Nguzwane is confirmed, his loan has been confirmed. Bontle Molife, his loan has been confirmed. Sfiso Timba, no Vicky Mkwanana, they've been confirmed. Ama loan moves wabo, and yeah, it looks like they are following that path getting lost in the system, this thing of loaning players out and makuphela ama-contract wabo bangasabuyi, because simbonile uZwane last season kuSibelele, he couldn't become a regular starter. And okay, Mulife yena, he was playing, and aboTimba they are playing, but the Chiefs are busy. And manje siyabona laphayana ku left back position, as I've said in the previous video that I did. Laphayana ku left back position bheka uMashiane akana club. Chiefs ayina left back njengoba sikhuluma manje, ayikho left back, bebadlalisa uPulwemori against Sundowns. All the players are injured. Should they bring uMashiane back? Should they Xolani Xosa, who is a left center back? I'm sure he can play that position as well, being naturally a left-footed player, who is also able to. He's a ball-playing central defender, but he can play in a three-man defense. Simbonile uKadoso adlala a three-man center back I3. And there was no left-footed center back. Xolani Xosa, bekadlala kuphi lapha eBotswana, and yeah, bambuyisanga. I think he's going on another loan, and I thought maybe they were going to bring him back to replace Eden McCarthy. Eden McCarthy, we know that Lokuzan. Guys, remind me of on the comment section below. Roshun Totli, I mean to say Roshun Totli, he is the only one that is left who is left-footed. So Xolani Xosa would have been another addition, just to add, just to go no cross, just to go no Lokuzan, because we know Roshun Totli is been injured, and it's been a long-term injury, so they needed to bring in Xosa. It wouldn't have hurt to bring in Xolani Xosa just to add depth. Look at the situation now, and they still have a chance to bring Xosa. Let's talk about this on the comment section below. Linda Baye Kaizer Chiefs, my player. Look at what is the solution, Bafetu, because the team is really losing good youngsters, and so many youngsters have been lost like this in this way. So yeah, Bafetu, let's talk about that on the comment section. That is all I have for you guys today, and I have a very interesting topic for tomorrow. So make sure you watch the show tomorrow. Remember to give it a like, and remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.